Experience the apex of sport riding with the 2024 Aprilia RS 660. Crafted for precision and performance, the RS 660 embodies Aprilia's legendary racing heritage. At its heart beats a potent 6.5 V9cc twin-cylinder engine, unleashing 100 horsepower at 10,500 RPM and 67.0 Newton-meter of torque at 8,500 RPM. Engineered for the thrill of the chase, its lightweight frame, at just 183 kilograms, ensures unparalleled agility and control. Equipped with a 6-speed gearbox and state-of-the-art electronics, the RS 660 offers a ride that's as intelligent as it is exhilarating. With a seat height of 820mm, it positions you perfectly for both aggressive racing and comfortable cruising. A generous 15-litre fuel tank means your adrenaline-fueled adventures can go even further. The 2024 Aprilia RS 660, where every ride is a testament to speed, precision, and pure exhilaration. Unleash your potential. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates on motorcycles like this. Until next time, ride safe, ride free.